On the night of July 25th, 2021, what began as a reckless drive spiraled into a series of criminal charges for Chandler Reese Irby, including felony fleeing and aggravated assault, setting the stage for a legal battle that would stretch over the following years.
But I just passed Pratt Road. There's some car in front of me I'm trying to catch up to that's going over 50 miles an hour. Or southbound on 530. And they're driving reckless, changing lanes, traffic's light. Not saying there's a trooper south of me. Negative on DVL. Trying to turn around. Traffic's still light. We're southbound, coming over to 12. I still don't have a vehicle this much. It's quite a ways in front of me, but I can still see its tail lights. Traffic's still alive. The exit 15 sign, I just passed the exit 15 1 mile sign. Did Troop E say they have anybody?
Yeah, my insurance, yeah. Down on 44 Road, Collins moving down the roadway. Yeah, part of 44. So, you advised that you didn't hear anything back from Troop B? Yeah, for public service open now, they do not have a trooper. If you ever get any closer to them, they still way ahead of you.
I think they just blacked out southbound. The exit 20s in 1 mile. Speeds are 145. I haven't gotten a lot closer. I don't have a vehicle description. I can just see their brake lights in front of me. They were driving like this before I ever even started chasing them.
Rocket one. Right. I know you said Troop B didn't have anybody, but you might also send a terminal message to Whitehall PD. That'll be the next closest city other than Redfield. 10.71.
Exit 24 in 1 mile. I just passed that sign.
Yeah, 150.
Traffic's still light, and they're still blacked out.
$25 to $16. Are you gaining on them?
I can't really tell right now. Exit 27 is in 1 mile.
Good boy.
I think they took the 27. I'm taking the 27.
Good boy. which way did they go? If you get stopped at that ramp, if you go right, that's dead end road on gravel pit. If you go left, it goes back all the way back over to 365.
I'm going east right now, and I've gained on them a lot. I'm going east on Safaris Trail. Or I'm sorry, I'm on Gravel Pit Road. I passed Safaris.
10-4 on gravel pit. 71 to 16, that's going to come back out on Highway 365. That road, gravel pit only goes about 2.5 miles.
10-4, it looks like a Camaro temp tag. Blue in color, it's an SS.
Go ahead and give me that now.
Troop unit 1063 round 16.
Hit on is successful.
Successful.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Driver, get out of the car! Show me your hands! Exit the vehicle! Exit the vehicle! Face away from me! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Walk backwards! Go down on your knees! Put your hands behind your back! Lay down on your stomach! Is there anybody else in the car?
Okay.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
State police wins.
I already know.
Adam 16 liter 1015 1011.
I ain't got nothing on it. It's a gun in my car, though. It's registered, though.
Okay. Having a gun ain't illegal. You a felon?
No, sir.
All right. Sit up for me.
Man, the only reason why I ran, though, I'm going to be real with you. I couldn't get no more tickets. I ain't know you was chasing me.
You know the best part about it?
Yeah,
Wasn't chasing you. I was headed to a crash.
I already... Dang, that's crazy.
Yeah, bro. That's
See?
bad luck, ain't it?
Yes, sir. What's crazy, though, look. I kept going, though, because I couldn't get no more tickets. Because my job just suspended me for having a ticket. Yeah, I know it's over now, though.
Yeah. The best part is I was headed to a crash.
You scared me to death, bro.
I'm not even trying to stop you. I went to take the Pratt Road exit and saw you driving like that. You were driving like that before I ever even saw you.
Yeah, I was speeding. I was on the phone with my girl.
All right, man.
I ain't got nothing.
You got a wallet or an ID?
Yes, sir.
Where's it at?
It's in the glove.
Come to the side.
I ain't gonna lie to you. Boy, you scared the crap like me.
Thank you for everything.
Yo, but that's why I ran, though. I ain't gonna lie.
I got you. All right, have a seat for me, okay, boss?
Yes, sir. My bad, though. I ain't mean to take
You good? You good? It's over with now.
Yeah.
Adam 16 liter. Temp tag David Adam 039366. DA 039366. It's a blue Chevy Camaro SS, and there is no damage to my vehicle.
Chasing some Pratt Road, huh?
What's up?
I've been chasing him since Pratt Road.
5:30, just before Pratt, I was headed to a crash.
Really?
And he was driving. I was like, man, that's weird. There's a car in front of me doing about 150. I said, I don't think that's Steve Miller that was headed to a crash.
Now, with a probation revocation hearing scheduled for November 7th, 2022, Irby's fate hangs in the balance as the justice system prepares to determine the true cost of his actions.